Did you know that the right foods can help you heal from stress, digestive issues, low energy without medication? In Chinese medicine, food is more than just fuel, it's medicine. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use warming and cooling foods, eat based on the seasons, and make simple choices that support digestion, energy, and longevity. And once you understand how to eat for your body's needs, everything changes. So let's dive in. Imagine eating the same foods every day, thinking you're being healthy, but your body still feels off, tired, bloated, stressed. What if I told you that food could be your greatest medicine or your slowest poison? I'm Dr. Antonika Chanel, a holistic doctor specializing in East Asian medicine, herbal healing, and energy medicine, and I've dedicated my life to helping people heal naturally. After years of struggling with stress and anxiety and failed Western medicine treatments, I discovered the power of Chinese medicine, and now I'm here to share that knowledge with you so you can take control of your health without relying on pharmaceuticals. In Chinese medicine, we don't just eat to fill our stomachs. We eat to heal, to balance, and to thrive. And once you understand this, you'll never look at food the same way again. Before I ever studied Chinese medicine, I was in search for answers. And coming out of the military, I was stressed, anxious, exhausted, and nothing Western medicine gave me seemed to work. I bought books, I researched holistic healing, I tried every diet I could find, but my body wasn't responding. So I took a different path, a different approach. I started searching practitioners of ancient medicine, started getting treatments, learning from those who've been practicing for generations, and eventually I immersed myself in Chinese medicine school while working on private yachts, applying everything that I learned to my own life. And the results? Life-changing. I've never been on medication since. I've fired my Western medicine doctors and never had to go back. And that's why I am sharing this with you today, because you deserve to know how powerful food really is. In Western nutrition, we focus on calories, carbs, proteins, macros, micros, but in Chinese medicine, we focus on temperature, energy, and balance. Every food you eat either warms your body up, cools it down, or keeps it neutral. Warming foods boost circulation, energy, and digestion, perfect for cooler seasons or sluggish metabolisms. Foods like ginger, cinnamon, garlic, lamb, bone broth, and cooling foods calm inflammation. They soothe stress and help with overheating, ideal for summer or those with excessive heat or feelings of a lot of heat in the body. Foods like that help with that are cucumber, watermelon, mint, leafy greens. And then neutral foods support balance, great for everyday nourishment, like rice, sweet potatoes, carrots, mushrooms. So if you're always cold, fatigued, or struggle with digestion, you need more warming foods. If you overheat, have skin breakouts, or if you're irritable, you need more cooling foods. The key? Eating based on what your body needs right now. Chinese medicine teaches us that what you eat should change with the seasons. For example, in the winter, we eat warming soups and stews. In the summer, we cool down with fresh fruits and herbs. This isn't just tradition, it's biology. And when you align your diet with nature, your body responds with better energy, digestion, and immunity. But more than that, you need to listen to your body. Are you always bloated? Are you lacking energy, struggling with sleep? Your food choices could be the cause and the cure. And if you want to improve digestion, energy, and longevity, here are some best foods in Chinese medicine. So for digestion, ginger, fennel, fermented foods, bone broth, these heal the gut. They reduce bloating and improve nutrient absorption. For energy, goji berries, ginseng, sweet potatoes, these nourish your energy flow, your qi, and help fight fatigue. For longevity, mushrooms like reishi and shiitake, walnuts, sesame seeds, these support immunity, brain health, and your overall vitality. When you start fueling your body with intention, you'll notice the difference, not just in how you feel, but in your skin, your energy, your mood. And this is food as medicine in action. So here's an easy way to start using food as medicine today. In the morning, warm ginger tea and congee, which is rice porridge with goji berries and walnuts. In the afternoon, steamed veggies with warming spices and bone broth. And in the evening, grounded sweet potato soup with cinnamon and sesame seeds. This is not about following a rigid diet. It's about understanding what your body needs and responding with the right foods. When you start eating with awareness, your entire life shifts. The more I learned about this, the more I realized this is knowledge everyone should have, but almost no one is teaching it. That is why I created this channel, to bring ancient healing into modern life and to help people understand their bodies in a way that Western medicine never could. But I can't do this alone. And when you click subscribe, you're not just following a channel, you're joining a movement that is bringing back the power of food, the power of energy, and the power of you. So right now, click the subscribe button. Let's change the way the world sees health together.